and welcome back to the podcast topic on ethics of managerial leadership, where we delve into the intricate world of leadership and management through an ethical lens. I am your host Priya Dalal, and today we are diving deep into the topic of the ethics of managerial leadership. In today's fast paced and ever changing business environment, the role of a manager is not just about making decisions that drive profit. It's also about making decisions that consider the ethical implications of those choices. But what exactly does ethical managerial leadership entail? Let's start by defining what ethics means in the context of managerial leadership. Leadership integrity encompasses the moral beliefs and values guiding a manager's actions and decision making. It's about doing what is right, just, and fair, even when faced with difficult choices. So, what are some key ethical considerations for managerial leaders? One fundamental aspect is integrity. Leaders must act with honesty, transparency, and consistency in their dealings with employees, stakeholders, and the broader community. Without integrity, trust is eroded and the foundation of effective leadership crumbles. Another crucial aspect of effective leadership is fairness. Managers must strive to create a work environment where all employees are treated equitably and have equal opportunities for growth and development. This means avoiding favoritism, discrimination, and nepotism in all its forms. Accountability is also paramount in ethical managerial leadership. Leaders must be held accountable for their actions and the consequences of their decisions. They should be willing to admit mistakes, learn from them, and take corrective measures to rectify any harm caused. Furthermore, ethical leaders prioritize the well being of their employees and the broader community over short term profits. They consider the impact of their decisions on stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the environment. This means making sustainable choices that benefit society as a whole, not just the bottom line. However, navigating ethical dilemmas in managerial leadership is not always black and white. Sometimes leaders are faced with difficult choices where competing interests are at play. In such situations, ethical leaders rely on their moral compass, sound judgment, and ethical reasoning to make the best possible decision. So, how can organizations foster a culture of ethical managerial leadership? It starts from the top down. Senior leaders must lead by example, embodying the values of integrity, fairness, and accountability in their own actions. They should also provide training and support to managers at all levels, helping them develop the necessary skills and competencies to navigate ethical challenges effectively. In conclusion, the ethics of managerial leadership are paramount in today's complex and interconnected world. By upholding principles of integrity, fairness, accountability, and prioritizing the well being of stakeholders, ethical leaders can inspire trust, drive sustainable growth, and make a positive impact on society. That's all for today's episode. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of leadership and management through an ethical lens. Until then, remember to lead with integrity and make ethical choices in all that you do. Thanks for listening.